Hi, good morning. Thank you for stopping by. Today I'm going to go over to Santa Monica Pier and check out Pacific Park, which is now open for the rides. So let's go look. Okay, here we are, Santa Monica Pier. Word of advice, if you come here on a beautiful Saturday morning like today, get here early because the parking lot was about 3/4 of the way full, and that was at 9:30. And it's going to set you back about $15, which is not too bad for Los Angeles. It's a little bit cheaper than the average, which is about $20. Let's get on with the walk or tour. Admission is free to walk in there and look around, but if you want to go on the rides, you have to pay between $5 to $10, and they recommend that you buy your tickets online. It's open every day at 11 a.m. and closes at 9 p.m. on Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays, but all those other days, remaining days during the week, it's open till 8 p.m. And also while I'm there, I'm probably gonna eat at one of my favorite little spots and enjoy the day. Definitely not for me.
What are you waiting for? Come on over. For a small fee, Zoltar will give you a wealth of wisdom.
Do you know of a good place for lunch? This is it. This is the Blue Plate Taco. This is a little spot that I like to eat at every time I'm visiting Santa Monica. No, I'm good, thank you. Everything's good. All right. Well, I can just smell these. Check these out. Okay, I just had a nice lunch. I had a nice walk around the pier this morning, and it was nice. But it's still early in the day. I'm not quite sure if I'm ready to go home yet. 2 o'clock.